Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're beginning a targeted recovery now. Confirm backups and power. First, unplug peripherals to reduce conflicts and ensure keyboard and mouse remain. Next, keep your Windows key or Microsoft account available and plug in an external backup if you have one. Boot into Advanced Startup using Shift plus Restart or boot from a Windows USB. Once there, choose Troubleshoot to access reset options. You're skipping basic checks and moving straight into the recovery environment so we can fix the stuck reset process. Now diagnose underlying issues causing the reset to stall. Start with Startup Repair to fix boot problems. If you have restore points, try System Restore to revert to a known good state. If those don't help, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. If reset freezes at a percentage, exit and initiate the reset from Windows PE or a bootable USB to avoid driver conflicts and corrupted sessions. Finish by allowing the reset or clean install to complete and then reconnect peripherals. Once Windows boots, immediately reinstall chipset and storage drivers, run Windows Update, and verify activation. Restore your personal files selectively from your backup to avoid reintroducing corrupted data. If problems continue or reset repeatedly fails, use the Media Creation tool to perform a clean install as a final step. One key tip: if reset stalls again, check the storage drive health with manufacturer tools. A failing drive often causes repeated reset failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.